So I purchased Camtasia today, and I'm really in the process of learning how to use it. So one of the first features that I got introduced to is the PowerPoint Add-In. So I thought, what better way to kind of learn the software than put together just a quick video about this add-in. So I'm in PowerPoint, I click on the Add-ins tab, and then you're taken to some functions, some buttons for the add-in. Now I understand, based on what I've read, this plugin may not always get installed with your Camtasia installation. Fortunately, mine did, but I think if it didn't get installed, then you'd have to download the add-in from the techsmith.com website. So I have the add-in. It's pretty basic functions here. There's a record option, toggle buttons for your microphone, for your video. There is a little preview feature here, kind of give you a sense for what you're going to be seeing on the video. And then there are some settings buttons here, add-in options, kind of broken down by program, video and audio, picture-in-picture, and shortcuts. So with that, once you have a handle on that, the recording process is pretty straightforward, of course. And then finally, you hit escape to end your presentation, give it a name. At that point, you're kind of prompted with a pop-up from Camtasia. So this is integrated with Camtasia. The pop-up is for either producing or editing your video. So let's do a quick recording here. Okay, first thing I need to do is click to begin the recording. Now I'm recording this in Camtasia, so my recording of the recording has already started. So okay, so the PowerPoint recording has started, and I guess if you were given a presentation, you obviously you would talk about the specific content in the slide that you're trying to present. Here I just have the Camtasia record a presentation PowerPoint. So I'll just kind of step through quick. I've already spoken a little bit about this. At the end, we'll go ahead and we'll hit escape. We'll stop recording. Okay, we'll save it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and give it a, let's see, we'll give it a name of just Camtasia test. Okay, save. Okay, and here's where you come to whether or not you want to produce your recording or edit your recording. So I'm not going to go through that. The kind of the purpose of this is just to introduce the add-in. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.